Hello everyone, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Commissionerate System. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, the Madhya Pradesh Home Minister informed that the notification has been issued to implement the Commissionerate system in Bhopal and Indore, and 2 commissioners will be appointed who will also have magisterial powers. Now let's understand what is the Police Commissionerates system. In the Commissionerate system, the Commissioner of Police, that is CP, is the head of a unified police command structure, is responsible for the force in the city and is accountable to the state government. The office also has magisterial powers, including those related to regulation, control, and licensing. The CP is drawn from the Deputy Inspector General rank or above and is assisted by special or joint or additional or deputy commissioners. Now moving on to the history of Commissionerate system. The British brought the system first in Kolkata and followed it in Mumbai and Chennai presidencies. Delhi turned into a commissionerate during the Morarji Desai regime. In 1978, an initiative to introduce the system in UP, beginning with Kanpur, never materialized. Today, almost all states barring Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, and some northeastern states have a commissionerate system. Now let's discuss about the constitutional or legal provisions. Under the 7th schedule of the Constitution, police is under the state list. Political executives, that is ministers, have the power of superintendence and control over the police forces to ensure their accountability. The center is also allowed to maintain its own police forces to assist the states with ensuring law and order. The center is responsible for policing in the union territories. It also extends intelligence and financial support to the state police forces. State police forces generally have 2 arms, civil and armed police. The civil police are responsible for day-to-day law and order and crime control. And armed police are kept in reserve until additional support is required in situations like riots. Now let's discuss about the dual command system. Under this system, the district magistrate and the superintendent of police, that is SP, share powers and responsibilities in a district. In this structure, the DM is entrusted with issuing arrest warrants, licenses, while the SP has powers and responsibilities to investigate crime and make arrest. The system is designed to ensure a lower concentration of power and make the police more accountable to the DM at the district level. Now moving on to the question for today. Consider the following statements. 1. The commissionerate system was first brought in Delhi. 2. Under this system, the Commissioner of Police, that is CP, also has magisterial powers. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.